this one here is so good. So good. The hairline is super soft and flawless. I will be able to show you guys how to put her on and style her 100% glueless. This is our beautiful girl here. It has that beautiful scalloped cut, and this is what we look like from the inside. And then you have the drawstring. Go ahead and put her on. Ooh. When you give it a go or a look at the hairline, she fits nice and flat and smooth, and the lace definitely is very nice, as it blends really well with the my skin, even though I haven't done anything at all. So let's go ahead and get her started. I'm gonna start off with a little edge control. We do want to make sure that we have a little bit of smooth, sleek, demure situations going on. So we went ahead and took care of our hairline. I do notice that on the sides it is a little bit longer as far as the ear tabs go. I like to keep it neat and sleek. I've seen lots of big forehead girlies do that. So now we're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hairline back just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of melting spray. Now this is gonna make the hairline, now you see how this almost immediately melts down so nicely. This is a key game changer to really make your hairline nice and blended with your skin. And also it helps the wig from sliding back. For this one, I'm just gonna take a little bit, may still be a lot for you, of wax, and I'm gonna just drive it along the hairline as well as that parting. And we're gonna take the electric hot comb and we're gonna go ahead and press her out really good. This is closer to my shade, especially this darker one, I believe. And this one here is a little bit darker, like a contour shade. So I'm gonna take the lighter palette and I'm just gonna mix the two colors, and I'm just gonna go in and pack this along the parting space. And then I'm gonna do the shade 16 along the hairline, and this is gonna give me the perfect. Here is the look, love bugs. Super simple, quick, and easy. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Chef's kiss.